What if I told you there's an entire city beneath this street? Miles of pipes, cables, and infrastructure that you can't see, but artificial intelligence can. Inspired by a discussion with my daughter, I built a system of AI agents using the Google's Agent Development Kit, Vertex AI, Google Cloud Trace, and Agent Engine to build a swarm of agents that hire each other and work together to reveal what's hidden beneath. This is currently an experiment mostly for fun, but we walk around an interconnected maze that make our city's functions, and nobody knows exactly what's underground. So the question was, what if? The Surface Eye is a vision specialist agent I built to learn about Gemini's conversational segmentation. It's discoverable in my agent-to-agent protocol tenant, so it is hired to analyze uploaded street photos and detects utility markers, fire hydrants, manholes, spray paint markings. For this specific app, I created an agent with tools to teach it infrastructure standards, like sewer manholes are typically 300 feet apart, and infers the underground network topology. We called it the pattern oracle is the reasoning brain. It is also a registered member of our A2A swarm. And then finally, my nano banana agent, the depth renderer, takes all that data and uses Gemini 3's new image generation to create these cutaway visualizations. Let's see how it all comes together. I upload a regular street photo. Surface Eye immediately spots the markers. A fire hydrant here, a valve cover there, even these orange telecom flags. Pattern oracle reasons about what's connected. It sees the spacing matches water distribution standards. And then, depth renderer makes the invisible visible. What makes this special isn't just the output, it's how the agents communicate. Each agent is a standalone service with its own capabilities. They discover each other through a registry. They pass structured data using schemas I designed. The orchestrator chains them together. Surface Eye's output feeds pattern oracle, which feeds depth renderer. It's the A2A protocol in action. Agents that can be deployed anywhere, scaled independently, and even swapped out. Who knows where agents as service mesh could go? But for now, I'm turning this into a blog series covering everything. 2D image segmentation detection as an agentic tool, reasoning agents with Gemini 3, the A2A protocol, maybe more. Time permitting.